Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal hold on your AD account. Your account is experiencing an ad fund or hold error, rendering your account inactive. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. This method can help you resolve any hold or ad fund account statuses. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded, right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment. A utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter ad account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note, edit, according to your information. Finally, please attach a screenshot of your account status and the 3 most recent payment activities on the account. Click Send. Now, wait for about 2 to 3 hours and then go back to your ad account and you will see that the account is back to normal. Note, if it fails, please try again after 1 hour. The process will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. As you can see, my advertising account is now working normally again. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to appeal hold on your ad account.